Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making another refreshing weight loss drink. This drink can actually serve as a wine for your parties, for your get-togethers. Just make this and it will meet your every need. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 big pineapple, 2 cups hibiscus leaves, 2 lemons and small ginger. For this juice, the first thing I'll be doing is just to peel my pineapple. Mind you, my hibiscus leaves are washed thoroughly. I've rinsed very well because hibiscus tends to have a lot of sand, so make sure to rinse and wash properly in running water. Now I'm done peeling my pineapples. For the peel, I'll just be slicing that into desired sizes. Also, the pineapple I washed thoroughly, rinsed properly because I will be using the peas for this recipe. Once I'm done with the slicing of the peas, I'll put that aside. Now this is my lemon. I'm using 2 lemons, so I'll just be cutting 2 halves and then I'll extract the juice. Once the juice is extracted, I'll be putting that aside as well. Next, I'll just be slicing the lemon peas. The lemon peas is super healthy with lots of vitamin C in it, so I'll be using that as well for my juice. And this helps to burn belly fat as well, not just the juice alone. The peas are also very good. Now I'm just adding everything to my pot. I'll add about 3 cups of water and then I'll take. As you can see, I'm just cutting my pineapple. I'm slicing to the desired size that I need for blending, and also I'll be slicing off the middle part of the pineapple. This part I'll also cut into chunks and add to the pot as well. While slicing, I noticed my pineapples had some soft parts that I don't like, so I'll just be slicing this off and I'll be adding it alongside the hard parts to the pot. Now I'm just slicing those, and once I'm done, I'll go on to add it to my pot. So here is the hard part of the pineapple that I've just sliced. I'm adding that to my pot, then I'll cover to boil. These are allowed to boil for about 10 minutes. And the next thing, I'll be slicing my pineapples to the size I need. Yes, I'm slicing directly into my bowl. This is because while slicing, the pineapple gets to extract its juice a lot. Look at it, that's what the juice is extracted while I was slicing. So I don't slice on the board, I slice into my bowl directly. After about 10 minutes, I'm just checking on my pineapple peel and hibiscus tea. So yeah, it has boiled thoroughly, it is looking good, and now I'll just put it aside to cool a little, then I'll sieve that. You can decide to sieve this while it is still hot a little. Then after it has been sieved, just put it aside and allow it to cool completely. While it is cooling, I'll just go on to blend my pineapples. This is the leftover piece. I'll just be adding little water, and then I'll sieve again. So next is my pineapple. I'm just adding to my blender, and then I will blend. To blend this, for a start, I added about a half cup of water. I didn't add more than that, just a half cup of water to let it blend together. And after the first set is blended, the next thing I'll be doing, I'll just be topping it with more pineapples. No need to add more water. And once my blender is full, I'll pour out some part of the blended pineapple, and then I'll add more pineapple chunks to blend until I've exhausted my pineapples. So this is my pineapple. It has blended smooth, and now I'll just be sieving it. Just sieve. After you sieve, then you take out the pulp, then continue the same process. Sieve and sieve until you've exhausted all the pineapple. If you're making a large batch, you can use a bigger sieve for this sieving process. Mind you, the sieving is a little bit time consuming, but I tell you, the end result is super worth it. Yes, do try this recipe. It will look as though you're taking wine. This is different from the regular zobo. It is as though you're taking wine. It is a refreshing drink. It is a drink that will glow your skin, and with regular intake, it will work on that belly fat that you don't need. Yeah, this is my pineapple juice sieved already, my lemon juice, and then my hibiscus mix. Lastly, I'll just combine all these together, and then your juicy fruity wine is ready. So this is our juicy wine. It is so refreshing. You can enjoy this with ice, and you won't even notice it was made with hibiscus. Thank you so much for watching. Like my videos, share my videos, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post another beautiful video. Thank you so much, and God bless.